everyone, Tony from Tony's Magical Arts and Crafts is doing a miniature challenge this month. So I'll put the hashtag in the title. And I've never done one of these before, but I love them. Like, I love miniatures. Like, I made my own over here that I've shown in the past, where I did this creepy one with the Tim Holtz not the vignette, I don't know which one this is, but I did all of it. I love that. So I've done things like that, but I haven't done an actual miniature like this. So I'm excited, and I got a tiny one because, I don't want to get too overwhelmed. I've never done this before. Oh boy. And here it all is. Oh my god, look look at the little hinges. Hey, that means I'm going to have to screw them in. Oh, I didn't want to do that. Alright, so let's take all this out and take a look at it. Let me get these. I gotta put these. These fell. Tony made these for me for our Christmas swap last year, and I have them hang. I didn't have the heart to use them, so I hung them over here near that thing I just showed you, and they fell when I took the thing out. So let me put that back. It's like I want to use them, but I don't want to use them. They're just so pretty. I don't know. I'm bad, I know. Hey, I haven't been hoarding, but I've been using stuff. So I'll have to use these in a project, but I just like looking at them. They're so pretty. And, I don't know. We'll see. All right, so let's dive into this. I'm already I'm not good with directions. I'm not. So if I need to look at these directions, guess who's looking at them? That's right, Damien. Oh, there's like a piece of acetate here. Let me see. So here's the little house. I got the Forest Wonderland. They had a bunch to pick from. This was only like 18 change because, like I said, I've never done this before, so I didn't want to get like this big thing. And I can already tell you I'm overwhelmed. I'm already overwhelmed just looking at it. Look at how little these pieces are that you have to take out. Oh, I can't. I love mini anything. Oh my god. Okay, so we're going to have to pop all these out. Look at the little thing. Oh my god, so cute. And then there's all pieces in here. I know my language is going to be very colorful during this. I just hope it's not during a video when I'm putting it together. And then here's all the stickers. Oh my god, look at those little bottles. Yeah, so that's what it's going to look like when it's done. Isn't that cute? And then it opens up. It shows you everything you're going to get. See, oh. It shows you everything. The hinges, so friggin' cute. If you don't know already, Tony did, oh look how cute. Tony did a Harry Potter one last year, the wand store. Oh my god, it was so beautiful. I don't know how she did it. There's so much involved with it. I mean, there's a lot involved with this too, and this is a tiny one. It looked so good when she did it. Here's all the little stuff, and I don't really want to take them out. Well, I think they're all in bags. I think it's okay. Let me see. Oh boy. All right. So, see, it gives you a sticker so you know what everything is. Look how friggin' cute that is. I can't stand it. So you got your greenery there. I don't know what that thing is. Oh, I don't know. That must be for something. I don't know. Then you got some flowers here. I don't know. This is probably I don't know. I'd have to look, but that's all that stuff in there. Oh, there's a little bead that fell off. I hope that didn't go to something. Oh, it looks like we have... This looks like it's flock. Oh my god, I'm gonna go crazy. Oh, and then there's this. What the hell's this? Oh, I'm nervous already. Oh, mine lights up too. Oh, you see, we have more greenery here. Yeah, there's like these little things that are out of the pocket. And here's the light. I'm kind of nervous about this. I didn't want one that lit up. There's a little bit of lights there. Not that I don't want it to light up. It's just... What are you going to do when it dies? There's like no battery thing or anything that I know of. I don't know, guys. I don't know. And then we have all the little hardware and stuff in here. Hey, I didn't know I was going to be screwing things in. How do you do that with these big... Look at that little screw. Oh my god. See, I'm already complaining. No, it's really cute. It's really cute. I just hope I can get it to look good. I don't know. Alright. Well, we'll just put everything in here for now. I just wanted to show what it entailed. I'm in no way going to start now. I don't even know where to start. I guess you build the house first, right? And then go from there. I feel like this is going to take me 17 years to complete. We have the month. Look how cute. I don't know. I'm a little overwhelmed right now. I'm just going to put it back in here. There we go. We'll deal with this another day. So, oops. Yeah, so I got this one, the Forest Wonderland. They also have the Molly Garden. They all open up. The Magical Fate. Ooh, I like that window. Why didn't I get that one? In Bagel Time. It's a bagel place. You can kind of see him over here too. Yeah, why didn't I get that one? I love that one. Well, I think I like that too. I really like that one too. Well, you know what? If I don't go crazy and end up in the loony bin, I'll do another one. I'll do this Magical Fate one. And they're small enough so that I can keep them on the shelf. Like, we have to get another shelf in my craft room. Like, on the wall. And these are small enough so that I can display them on there. I can make quite a few. And I'll have like a big shelf so that I can store them. Because I also have everybody's goodies that they send me too. And I want to have room for all that stuff. So, yeah, that'll be good. The small ones. Although I love the big ones too. But for right now, this is all I can handle. I can't even handle this. Alright, wish me luck. Oh, there's all these things now. I don't know if I need these things. Look, they're all on the thing. Let me see. I'm going to put this back. Where does it go? guess it goes in that one. You know what? I don't know. Maybe I should put this back in the bag. It looks like it went... I hope I don't need that. I don't know where it went. I don't know. Whatever. It's just going to stay there. Yeah, there were a couple of pieces that were outside of the bag. I hope that's not an issue. We'll find out. This is the Fantasy Rubik's Cube series. Okay, whatever. Alright. I guess my next video will be making the outer part, I guess. That's where you start, isn't it? Or do you start stickering all the little... I don't know. I guess it's how whatever you want to do. Yeah, I think I'll start with the outside first. Now I need a little tiny screwdriver. Oh, I have one on my mini dessert warrior. No, I don't. I have one on my Huntsman. My Victorinox Huntsman. I ordered that special little screwdriver. Yeah, I think that'll be great for this. Oh, good, that'll come in handy. Alright, guys, so that's it. If anyone wants to participate, feel free. Tag Tony, use the hashtag. And good luck. So that's what I got for today. So thanks for watching. Happy crafting, and I will catch you all next time. Bye.